watching this video before you decide to quit YouTube, just give me a few minutes. Finish watching this video first. And if you still want to quit, then go for it. I won't stop you. But you'll want to hear what I have to say. So the video you think is gonna do well usually doesn't, and the video that you uploaded real quick because you needed to upload something, the audio is below average, visuals are okay, and your camera is literally shaking the entire video. That's the one that ends up doing really well and is probably the best video on your channel at the moment. When we put in all this work, time, and energy into creating these videos, and you literally get no views, it's like literally crickets. And then the funny thing is, you see how many views that video is getting, so you figure, okay, well, I'm gonna go and make a second video because people are clearly loving this one, right? So you upload it, and then the lesson learned here, guys, stop chasing views. Stop it. Do you remember the very first video you uploaded? You were super excited, your heart was like beating because you got like 2 or 3 views, but you were just so happy because you actually got someone to watch your video. You remember that feeling? But now you're used to getting 30, 50, 100 views on every video. So when you only get 2, 3, 4, 10 views, you're feeling all disappointed. I get it. I get it. But we have to remember why you started your YouTube channel in the first place. You started it to add value, right? You started it to make someone laugh, to help somebody. Like me, I started this channel to empower and inspire and to motivate. So whether you get 100 views or 10 views, are you not still adding value to people? So stop watching the views. Stop thinking, I only got 100 views, I only got 50 views, and start thinking, wow, I added value to 50 people's lives today. Okay, so everyone also says you should be patient. Growing on YouTube takes time, right? We've heard this over and over and over again. However, none of them tell you how much time it's actually gonna take for you to grow on YouTube, right? So you're doing all your SEO stuff, you have good thumbnails, you have great content, camera presence, great audio, great visuals, and still it feels like it's taking forever to reach your goals. And then Sally over here shows up, posts her very first video ever, and blows up in a month.
You're a YouTube sensation! What?
Lesson learned here, stop focusing on time, how much time it's taking you, how long it's taking you to blow up, how long it's taking you to get monetized, etc., etc., etc. I have 2 YouTube channels, and my lifestyle channel literally blew up in 2 months. It's currently sitting at 45 or just over 4,500 subscribers. I get thousands of views every single day, and my first 2 YouTube paychecks actually is literally more than most small YouTubers make in the first 6 to 12 months on YouTube after being monetized. However, this channel here has taken 3 years to grow, and it's still sitting at just over 750 subscribers. By the way, I will be posting that video on this channel soon, so if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the video when it comes out. So if you've watched any of my previous videos, then you know that I'm not saying this to brag or anything like that. I'm saying it to prove a point. Only God knows when the YouTube algorithm gods are going to pick up your video and start promoting it. So until then, I would suggest suggest to stop focusing on how long it's taking you and just focusing on learning, growing, honing those skills that you're learning, filming, editing, all of that stuff, and just keep making amazing content. Don't worry about it, don't stress about it, it will come. You want to grow on YouTube, yet you want to upload a video here and there when you feel like it, if the spirit leads you, but you want to grow.
Funny, that ain't gonna work, but you keep trying.
So don't be like Toronto weather today. 1 minute you're all sunny, you know, posting consistently once a week, twice a week, couple times a month, whatever. Next minute, you go missing for 6 months. When I first started this channel, I thought that I could upload a video twice a week. And I was doing pretty well for a little bit, but then I fell off and I went missing for a few months. And then I came back and then I said, okay, I'm only gonna post once a week. And then I got sick. And then I went missing for another few months. The lesson I learned is you need to stay consistent if you're gonna grow on YouTube. All you need to do is decide on yourself based on your schedule and the amount of content you're gonna put out. Can you manage putting out 1 video a week? Then do that. If you can manage doing 2 videos a week, great, but try to stay consistent. I would rather you put 1 video out every single week consistently than 2 videos out every now and again when you can come up with the content or when you remember it. I want you to check out this video here if you need more tips on how to get more subscribers on YouTube, or if you want more views, check out this video here. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. And just remember, stay consistent. Don't watch the time. Don't focus on that. Just keep putting out amazing content. Your time will come. Don't give up.